Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Christmas effect to your video on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC application, and as you can see, I have imported my video to this project, and I'm going to add Christmas effect to this video. First of all, we can go to the effects menu on CapCut, and then we're going to select the video effect, and in this video effect we need to go to the Christmas effect. Okay, and here you'll be able to get Christmas effect for your video. You just need to select the effect that you like, and here I'm going to choose the free effect because I'm not a pro user. For example, I'm going to add the Christmas star. I'm going to drag the effect to my video like this, and as you can see guys, that the Christmas star effect has been added to my video. And then I'm going to combine it with another effect. I'm going to apply the snowflakes as well. Okay, make sure you have good internet connection to download the effect. I'm going to add this effect to my video, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add Christmas effect to our video on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!